the starting point of today's Royal Rally. Welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW. We're at the starting line for the Royal Rally Unleashed 2. If you guys have watched the links above, Unleashed 1 video, we're doing round 2 today. We got Sumat rolling in on his 335. Check out this Lamborghini. What a sick ride. Oh my gosh. Aventador S. That thing is gorgeous. Here is Brett's car. Was the winner of the XK Glow Kit. He's going to be putting the kit on his lovely, lovely black Camaro. Can't wait to see it installed on the car. It's gonna look friggin' awesome. Mr. Supa. Check out Scott's new hood. His new look. That is absolutely gorgeous. We have some hula dudes. Morning. Aren't you guys so cute?
Tiara. Oh, that's making you. Morning.
Morning.
I know, you pull out in front of us like,
Rolling with the Lotus. The M4 GTS. And the Ferrari. First tech stop, Millerville Racetrack. Car's holding up really well. Somebody sure knows how to drive this Ferrari. She is doing a friggin' phenomenal job. Tech stop number 2, Little Chicago. Royalties, 1934 to 1969. What a beautiful day. The weather has turned out so awesome. Check stop number 3, Twin Cities Hotel. Tennessee is where the cannon has come from. Stopping for a little pee break, stretch the legs. Here in Nanton. You got the Lotus Ferrari, of course, Stone. Randy and his Lotus. Check this out. All right. Next check stop, Black Beauty, right here, home of Black Beauty. It's our next check stop. Here we go. Let's submit this picture. Here we are at the LaBelle Mansion in Pincher Creek. Now we're off to Waterton. Waterton. Prince of Wales Hotel in Waterton. Our last checkpoint before lunch. We're starving. Let's go get some grub. Here we are in Waterton Lakes. Apparently we're super late because all the other rally guys, they're already here. So let's wait for Jason and Christine and we'll go get some lunch. Oh no. That decal was not supposed to make it on the Ferrari. That's one nice Cobalt SS though.
That's nice. Norm, is your Cobalt for sale?
Norm,
Actually,
I Am Motor Cars.
$3,000 cash. Call her a day.
He got them good. Check stop number 10. Here we are. What a beautiful building. This is like a beautiful backdrop for the car. It's the oldest church temple in Canada, here in Cardston, Alberta. We got some rally virgins here.
This is not the point you're looking for.
Next check stop, Queen's Hotel. Clue number 14. Here we are in Claire's home. It's nice to have a bigger crew rolling. Check stop number 16. Maggie's Diner, Tack and Feed. Movie was filmed here. This license plate sums up today's adventures. Did we get all the check stops? I don't know. Oh well. All I know, it was a ton of fun. I loved going on the rallies. Lots of good people. We just cruised together. It was like an entire day full of cruising. How can you not go wrong with that? The weather's been fantastic, thankfully. We've got reports that there was hail in Calgary, a tornado touchdown in Nanton. We were in Nanton earlier this morning. You guys come along with us and it was sunny and nice. So car gods have been looking out for us, and thankfully we've had really good weather. So we've finished all the checkpoints. Now let's head to the Hotel Blackfoot for some grub. We made it to the Hotel Blackfoot. Lots of cars here. Let's go inside and have some grub. I believe we are having some roast beef, so let's head on in and see what we're gonna eat. Norm's car seems to have some teats on the window. Look at that. Boobies. Just kidding. This is a good placement. Flawless. I'm digging it. What do you guys think?
No, I'm ready to go.
No way, I'm not leaving you alone. Pop out at your party. How was the day? It's gonna be a long, so complicated.
We made it. You can have any beer as long as it's a Corona. We got some roast beef, Caesar salad, mashed potatoes, chicken. Let's dig in. I am exhausted. That was a lot of driving. You forget how much it takes out of you of trying to concentrate on the road and driving and making sure you get to the check stops in time, and it's a pretty taxing experience, but it is so much fun. So we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. What an absolute blast. If you are from the Canadian area, Alberta, BC, Saskatchewan, look up Royal Rally. Come to Alberta for a weekend and enjoy one of the events. I promise you, you will not regret it. So, like that, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.